Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you guys are watching this video. In this video, I would like to watch you through how you can extract contact numbers from your WhatsApp group. Alright guys, let's go. Okay, first thing you need to do is to make sure you open your WhatsApp tools. Then you go to extract contact, as you are seeing here. In case you are using two WhatsApp number on your phone, this is how it is going to show it on your screen. For my own case, I'm using WhatsApp Business, and I'm also using normal WhatsApp, which is a personal WhatsApp account, and I'm also using a business WhatsApp account. Alright guys, so in this video I'm using WhatsApp Business now, so I'm going to choose WhatsApp Business, as you can see here. So then I will now click on Start Now. After then I will click on Start Now. So it simply brought me to WhatsApp interface, which is my WhatsApp Business interface. As you can see from here, this is WhatsApp interface. This is WhatsApp interface. So I now scroll down and see the kind of groups that I want to extract, that I want to get their contact number. So depending on the groups you want to get their contact number, assuming that I want to get a contact number from this free game train, hope you guys are getting me. So I will just click on, just tap on any of the WhatsApp group I'm having that I want to get their contact in. So then you now go to their to the info of the group, So you just tap on it. So you can see that this group is having over 400 contact number. That is, they have over 400 and they have over 400 members in this WhatsApp group. So what I'm going to do now, in order for me to get all these people on my contact list, so I will just scroll down. You can see that you can see their list, as you are seeing it here. So just scroll down from head to the top. Just keep on scrolling. You can scroll as fast as you can. You can scroll down as fast as you can. You can now see that I've reached the end of the contact list of the contact members. You can see that I've reached the end. You can see that it is saying few past, the past contact, the past participants, those people that have left. You can see that it simply means I've reached the end of those people that are still in the group. So what I will have to do now is that I want to continue. I will have to scroll up again. So by the time that I scroll up to the end, to the beginning of this contact group, of this contact list, then I will now go back again. I'll click on go back. Sorry.